Hello everyone, this is Ems. On this video, I want to share village areas of Ningbo and the lifestyle over there. Well, there's a big difference between the city life and villager type lifestyle over there. It's like a day and night, and that's the reason I would like to share this video with you, because it's not so far from the city core. For me, it takes 7 to 10 minutes bike ride. You will see on the actual video I am e-biking over the streets, shopping, basically digging around and finding some differences. And it's like day and night. It's like a real lifestyle over there and part of the other real face of Chinese lifestyle, and that's what I'm trying to show you. On my previous content, I shared some footages from the city core, different areas of Ningbo city, attractions. And when you first come to this city, you may feel like, wow, this place is a lot like westernized, structured, corporate. But when you see these particular areas, you may not feel the same. It's a very lovely weather today. I thought it was crazy warm, but it's not as crazy as I thought. This year was colder in China than the previous year apparently. And over here, there's a lot of shopping places, like a lot of food, electronics, e-bikes, repair shops, restaurants. Right there, China Mobile. Oh, tattoo shop here, even. Maybe tattoo shop. Something like that. Okay, let's have a little adventure, make a little difference. It's like going nuts here. Everybody's like, who the hell is this guy? Just by the water, man. Should be fun. Exactly the type of weather I'm looking for. It's spring weather. Ooh, how you sleep there? Nice. That's unusual. Is that some like a good luck? Lots of stores that actually sell good quality products too, not cheap only, and you may be very well surprised. It's like, wow, this I'm finding here, sort of like a kettle, sort of like a metal electronic device, some sort of, even like cell phones. There are a bunch of Apple stores or people selling stuff, Huawei or other brands, so cheap. All of a sudden you just like go, wow. I followed my intuition and just ended up here. That was unexpected. This is what usually the streets are like. I mean, usually they are not so empty. Especially in a day like this. No way. And here's the deal. I don't think this is a one-way street, but I'm still kind of breaking the rule.
$11.11块。
1.5. I think he says it's 1.5. 对, oh, 15 yuan. 15 yuan for this? Crazy. Okay, where do I scan? They all have the scanner. There we go. Xixi. Can we go through this place? No way. So this, right? It's a market, right? No way. Okay, I think I'm stuck. I want to try something. Yeah. See. Now let's go. But which way? The question of all questions. I know where we're coming back. Okay, there are a bunch of places that we can go back home, but there's an easier one, which connects to our room. That's cool hair. Hello. Don't be angry with him. He's your brother. Somebody coming from opposite direction. That's very usual. I see this a lot of times, by the way. You may be like, hey, this guy is kind of like lunatic, but I'm not. I just see this. That's all I wanted to. I want to share.